Alright guys, so we are going to start on my boys' room. This is what it looks like right now. They have their beds, we have clothes on the floor, we have Lego and drawers and a lot of things. So we're just pretty much going to be placing everything on top of the beds. And then we will take it from there. If it brings you joy, we keep it. If it brings you a mess, we toss it. Oh my god, babe, stop it. Don't do that. We are not gonna thank the house.
The room is saying that you guys don't behave.
And that you guys are messy.
You guys are really messy. It's a sad room. It's not a happy room.
So we're just gonna go ahead and get started.
What happens, baby?
So we are taking everything out of their gavetas, all the clothes out.
The drawers.
Everything out of the drawers. Everything needs to be out where we see it. And we're just going to throw everything here in the bed. And we will know if we want it or we gonna toss it. This is such a small room for so many things they have. What is this? Oh, ponlo por ahí lo ponemos. So I'm just going to have them take out all the clothes and place it there. And we'll keep whatever fits them. And whatever doesn't fit, we'll move on. And like that, we can have more space under drawers for clothes.
Okay, so what I had them do here now is after placing all the clothes in the drawer, I had them try on their clothes. Like what fits them and what doesn't, and like that, whatever doesn't fit I can remove, and like that I can make space for new clothing, or you know, make more space on the drawers. So that's what I'm going to be doing with all the clothes from the drawers and as well as the closets.
Put it on top of there. Okay, so now we have here the pants for sleeping. We're dividing the shorts. Shirts to go out are over there. He's doing the same thing. Shirts asleep, pants asleep, shirts to go out, things that need to be hung. And now once that is organized by pile, the pile is organized by like category, we're gonna go ahead and start folding clothes.
Folding method, and we're gonna teaching my kids how to fold their clothes, so like that they continue to fold their clothes and keep their drawers completely organized. Okay, so after we fold every piece of clothing from the drawers, we're going to come back and put everything that fits them back in the drawers. And the bottom drawer, I like to keep their PJs, anything that they use to go to sleep, anything that they use to whenever they're here in the house. So long sleeve shirts, shirts that are just to be in the house, and of course their long pants, and sometimes I like to put shorts also on the third drawer. Okay, so now on the second drawer, we're going to put all their shirts, and these are the shirts that I like to use casually to go out. and I like to arrange them from like color, kind of have them color coordinated: grays, reds, pinks, blues, whites, you know, just by color coordinator. Makes it look better, and it makes it easier to grab a shirt when you're looking for it. And this is what pretty much the drawers look like after we folded them and remove every single piece of item that did not fit them. And I love how much space there is and how clean they look, and I want to see how long this is gonna last for.
Okay, so next is this big mess. This is the closet. This is how messy they are. Look at all that. Look at the mess that they have in here, guys.
Right.
So next is the closet. We're still not done. We still have a lot of more clothes that we need to put away. We have that. We still have that in there. So yeah, guys. So let's go ahead and continue. The next one is going to be the closet and all the toys. Who would say that in such a small room you can keep so much crap, guys? I cannot believe it, and I thought that this room was clean as heck. This is part 2. We already tackled the clothing, as you saw in the beginning, but now we're tackling the closet, which they have a small closet and all these things were in that closet. This is crazy, guys. Look at this. Oh my god. Let's see how we can organize the toddler's room.
Okay, so now for all the toys. I like to do this myself because I know exactly what they play with and what they don't play with, because if it was up to them, they will definitely keep everything in their toys. I use these baskets for their toys. It's easier for cleanup whenever they're done using their toys. So I like to keep the toys in this basket, and I'm just going to categorize and see what I'm going to put inside the baskets, what toys I'm going to give out, what toys I'm going to throw away. So that's what we're going to be doing for the next couple of slides. We're just going to be organizing the toys we're keeping and the toys we're actually going to get rid of. So like after an hour of organizing and getting rid of all the toys, now we're moving to organizing and putting everything back inside the closet. So here's my husband helping, putting things in the closet, and I feel like this is more of a woman's job. So you'll see that I will be jumping in and organizing and putting everything back into the closet. And now we're putting back in the closet everything they stayed with. So I just pretty much don't have a method. I just like to keep it and put it as organized as I can in their shelves. I love that their closets have these shelves. It actually helps to be able to organize stuff way better, especially their toys. Okay, so we organized. See, I put the baskets in that wall of their closet, and we organized on the bottom. We put shoes, then we put their toys in the second, and then we put books and everything else in the top. I will definitely show you what it looks like. So we have Nerf bullets on the top, we have books, we have all their toys, and then these baskets. I also have shelves on the other side of the walk-in closet, and I was able to put baskets with their tiny toys and stuff like that. So I love that this closet has a lot of space and everything kind of just looks clean and neat. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move into the rest of the closet, and then just pretty much move into the rest of the room as we speak. I'm just going to make the beds and just kind of tidying up their room, making it look more presentable, more clean. And I also teach them how to make their own beds, so they make their beds in the morning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the beds. I'm going to clean the shades, because oh my god, here in the house you can have a lot of dust. I'm just putting like leftover clothes that I had, especially new clothes that we just got them. I just putting them in their hangers so I can put them back into the closet. So yeah, from now, like I said, I'm just gonna clean their room, make sure that to the last minute touch-ups, put every clothes away, clean the blinds, clean the light bulbs, clean everything, make sure that there's no dust, and of course vacuum the room. And that's it. This actually, guys, took us like I would say 4 hours. It was tough, it was intense, but I love how everything turned out.